So we've learned how to create a brand new project. For those of you that are following along, you would have the project number 2 of your exercise file open at this point in time. In order to give ourselves more room on the screen, we're going to close out our project guide by simply clicking the X beside the tasks screen. Now, if we want to bring this up again, we can simply go back up to our toolbar to re-engage it. But at this point in time, we're going to learn the basics of being independent. We can always go back to that project guide if we need more help when we're on our own. Now, we're going to be creating a project for a web development plan. We're going to start with some of the tasks that we need to place into the list. Now, a lot of the work when you're using Microsoft Project is done prior to getting to this point. You want to make sure you have a laundry list of all the items you want to track during your project. To create a project, you simply select the cell under the task name column where you'd like to begin typing. Our first task is to define the project scope. I hit the Enter key and go down to the next task. Notice a few things have happened. I have a task indicator number beside the particular task. It defaults to a duration of 1 day with a start date of the 12th of March. I'm going to leave those defaults in here right now because I'm going to go back and explain to you how to set durations for each individual task. Right now, the scope is just to get the information in here. So let me put in our next task, which is to identify a target audience. Identify target audience. Hit my Enter key and move down to my next task. That's as simple as it is to add the tasks into your project. I'm going to save you some time by moving on to our next movie where we've already got all our tasks already inserted into the project, and we're going to see how we can create subtasks next.